This is just a video to show you how to navigate the IXL website. When your child logs in, this is what the main frame will look like. Okay, you're going to see a recommendation page. This is a good place for the students to come in if they are working independently. It recommends activities based on their past history. All right. So if you scroll down here, you can see the different activities with the topic, and then you can click on it to get started. Just a note, when you first log in, you're going to probably see maybe some kindergarten or even first grade skills. This is really just a diagnostic, since it's the beginning of the year, to see the strengths and weaknesses of students. So keep that in mind. This recommendation page will update the more and more diagnostic type things your student does. Now, to access specific IXL assignments that I have assigned for homework, there's two different ways you can get there. All right. So the first one is this clicking this star right here. Okay. So you can see the first assignment is sort short and long vowel words. When it's always going to put the most recent assignment on top. So I just made this assignment about 5 minutes ago, so it's right there on top. The one at all the way at the bottom, this is actually something I assigned last year. So you can see that. And in fact, I'm going to delete those out. So don't even pay attention. So you just want to look on top. All right. Now, this list, again, you can use this, but remember, it's listing it by the most recent assignment. So, if for some reason your child is absent or sick for a week, it might be a little cumbersome to access the most recent assignment because you're going to have to field through the list. So the second way you can find a specific assignment is by going up here to the top and doing it by subject. So the first math assignment in second grade is going to be math assignment B1. So you go to math. Let's make sure you're on second grade. That's important. Okay. Hold on. I'm recording here, so hold on one second. I have to move my little recorder tool over. Okay, so make sure you're on second grade. That is very important. So again, the assignment is B1, which will always be listed in the newsletter. So you're going to find letter B, here it is, and B1, comparing numbers up to 100. So if you look at that star right there, that's going to indicate it's been suggested by your teacher. That's going to tell you that your student that this assignment has been made by Mrs. Smith. All right. If you hover your mouse over the title of the topic or the activity, it gives you a little preview as to what types of questions will be asked. All right. Now, to find the language arts, you're going to scroll back up and click on language arts. So our first assignment in language arts is going to be E1. Again, make sure you click on that second grade tab. And again, I said E1. So I'm going to find E. Here it is, long and short vowels, and E1. And again, you can see the star indicative that I have made that assignment. All right, so here's the topic. If you hover, you'll preview the type of question. Students should strive for an 85% or higher, okay? And as students go in and complete this, it will record that. It'll say you're at a 60 and a 70. The more and more they get correct, they are working toward that goal of 85, but they can go all the way to 100. All right. Let me know if you have any questions on IXL, and I'm happy to help clarify a little more. Thanks.